Hello and welcome to Sunday Morning Builds with Bricksntech. Today we are going to be looking at the Brickheadz Groom and Bride. Now we're actually going to build the Groom today. This set is a 40384, the Groom, and this isn't actually an official Brickheadz set, as in it hasn't been numbered like the other Brickheadz are numbered. And this and the Bride, they come with this one comes with 255 pieces, and you get to choose what type of Groom and accessories you want to build or include in your build. So we'll look at that. I will do it as a speed build. And I will choose as I go along how I want to create this and how it will end up looking at the end. Yeah, so I'll open this up and we'll see what the contents are like. So the next build we do, I'll do the Bride, then we'll compare them side to side. But let's wait into this bit. Packs and the instructions. Okay, let's get into this build and then we'll come back for a short review. And if you like this type of content, please like and subscribe. The finished product. I actually quite enjoyed this build. I went with the blue suit and brown hair and the cap, but as you'll see in a little bit, there are quite a number of options. I also went a red flower. So first thing I'll point out with this build is it's quite a simple Brickheadz build. It's a really good basis to start the Brickheadz collection if you haven't started yet. And this mustache here, if I take that off and then take this middle piece out, I can actually swap that out for the glasses. Oh, I may not be able to have the glasses and the moustache on at the same time, so I'll just put another piece there and put that on there. That's better. Look at that. And I think that's how I'm going to keep it, is like that. But this comes with a lot of extra pieces. So here is the black suit that I could have used, missing the pieces which you don't get double up of, and then you've got the different face pieces which I've just put together, and then the hair pieces, all of those, and the ears. These pieces go on the ears, as you can see here. Side of the head, there's more of those. So there's lots in the extra moustache pieces, and then the ears themselves. So they're all extra pieces that you can put together and swap in and out if you like. But then there's a whole bunch of other, I'll just move this out and bring him back in. Oops. And these are still all the other pieces that I haven't put together that come with this pack. That's a pretty good starter pack. If you get your own, some of your own pieces together, and you could possibly build maybe 3 different brickheads with some of your own pieces. You would probably need, if I take off this back piece, is probably the best piece to take off. You would need to have these type of snot bricks, plenty of those, to be able to build additional brickheads, both 2x2s and 1x2s also. But overall, I quite enjoyed this, and next will be the bride to go with the groom. I'll do that one next, and that will finish those off. So all in all, I do rate that one, which is good. So thanks for hanging around. If you do like this content, please like and subscribe.